Welcome to sports. We started with 68 teams, one of which was Cal Poly, and now we've whittled it down to the Final Four. In today's early game, number 7 UConn taking on number 1 Florida. Take you out to Arlington, Texas. Moment of silence for the fallen soldiers at Fort Hood before the start of the game. First half, DeAndre Daniels calling for the ball, then buries the tray from the wing. UConn trailing 16-15, but that capped off a nice 11-0 run for the Huskies. Gators answering back. Casey Prather spinning and taking it to the rack. Gators back up by 3, and then it's Shabazz Napier, I like saying the name, Shabazz Napier driving in, getting the one-handed layup to go. Huskies back in business, up by 1. UConn goes on to pull the upset, beating the number 1 Gators 63-53 now. UConn will wait tonight's winner of the Wisconsin-Kentucky matchup to see who they will play on Monday night for the championship. All right, from the hardwood now to the diamond. Santa Barbara City College returned home as they tried to shake off Thursday's loss to Hancock. Vaqueros welcoming in their conference rivals from Cuesta. Right now, Santa Barbara sits in second behind Cuesta, or right behind Oxnard, that is. Cuesta is in last place currently. First inning we go. Cougars already up 1-0. Patrick O'Brien going to rip this one deep into right. That's going to allow the Vaqueros to load the bases. They are in business, but then 2 batters later, bases still loaded. Evan Peterson gets Trey Barrett to go down swinging, and that would get out of the jam there for Cuesta. Move over to the 3rd inning. R.J. Hasse laying down the bunt. He'll get thrown out at first, but Nick Burnham will come in to score. Cougars back up 2-0. The Vaqueros decided to wait till we left the baseball field today before they got on the board, and, they were just shy. Vaqueros would go on to rally back late in this one, taking it to 10 innings as they get the win, 4-3. They now improved to 20-9 overall and 9-6 in the conference. UCSB welcomed in Cal Poly today for a softball doubleheader as the Gauchos look to rebound after going 1-2 against Cal State Fullerton in the Big West opener about a week ago. Game 1 action highlights here for you now. Cal Poly, though, coming in red hot, winners of 13 of their last 16 games. Gauchos looking to stop that run today. 2nd inning, the Mustangs were already up 2-0 when Kim Westland launches it to the east. Of course, I'm directionally challenged, but I know that at least is center field, and that allowed Jillian Anderson to score, and they pick up another run there. They're up 3-0. To the 3rd inning, Anderson's going to rip the grounder right past the shortstop as Courtney Tyler will come in to score. Also, Ashley Torino. Mustangs up 5-0. They went on to put on a hitting clinic in this first game as they would go on to take game 1 14-1. Incredible. Could have used some of those highlights at the other game I went to. Game 2, UCSB, however, rallied back as the Gauchos get the win 2-0. Game 3 will be tomorrow at noon. To the MLB now. Dodgers looking to rebound after yesterday's crushing home opener to the Giants. And look who decided to show up to work on time. It's Yasiel Puig. Shocking. He got late to work yesterday and they benched him. 5th inning, Giants up 2-1. Pablo Sandoval rocketing this one out to left, and it's gone. 3-run homer gives the Giants a 5-1 lead. And then moments later, not to be outdone, Buster Posey launches one a country mile. Not really sure how far that is, but it's far. That went out to left, and the Giants were up 6-1, and then it was just all Giants from there. They go on to get the win. 7-2, which I know makes you very happy.
All right, I'm very excited. That game yesterday, though.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
A lot of like today's game, pretty much all one-sided.
Right, it was filling up the Twitter feed and Facebook. People were not happy with that. And they were calling for Puig because he was on the bench.
Our own Joe Butita is at the game. I saw on his Facebook page. And
really?
Maybe Joe could get in and help the Dodgers because they sure need it right now. But yeah, I don't know what's going on over there. We'll have an update tonight, too, at 11. Big Cal Poly UCSB baseball game going on up in San Luis Obispo tonight. So we'll have an update at 11 for you on that.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks for that, Kevin. Well, a couple